Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel by Literacy Now. I'm Diana and today I'm going to teach you how to create an offset text outline. So the first thing you want to do is open up PowerPoint, type out the word, and then you want to format the font. In this case I used BN Taco Trucks, my own font, and I changed the size to 200. And now to change the color of the text, I'm going to highlight the word teacher. Then I'm going to come up here where it says font color and I'm going to choose a light blue. Once I've done that, I'm going to click on the box and I'm going to copy and paste. I'm going to drag one of the boxes down so that I'm able to see what I'm doing to the format. I'm going to double click the box and this window is going to pop up that says Format Shape. And here you're going to see two tabs, Shape Options and Text Options. Make sure that you're under the Text Options tab. Scroll down to where it says Text Outline, click Solid Line. Make sure that you go back up to where it says Text Fill and click No Fill. Then you want to come back down and format your solid line. So I did cap type square and then I changed the width to 3 point. Finally, you want to click on the box and drag it so that it's on top of the word that says teacher in blue. Then you want to use the arrows on your keyboard so that you're able to create this offset look, which just means that the outline is not perfectly aligned to the text, which is what you want. And that is how you create an offset text outline using PowerPoint. I hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. Please subscribe to my channel and I will be uploading more videos in the future.